dear friends, today I am with the new topic that is business study. In today's class, let us discuss about that your business study first lesson, component of business studies. What is the components of business studies? Yes, here the business is the very necessary for the development of every country. Is it? Yes, in today's class, let us discuss about what are the basic aspect of the business study. Okay, then afterwards, the economic activities are the base for every business. Okay, what is the economic activities are the basic for the every what is business, is it? So economic activities are the basic for the business. Let us discuss about that. What is the meaning of business? Yes, the business, this word is derived from the word busy. The word business is derived from the word busy. Busy means what? Being busy. Is it? Being busy. Undertaking some work is called the business. What is the word business is derived from the word busy. Busy, it means being busy. Undertaking some work is called the busy. Yes, for our life, we need more goods and services. Our wants are unlimited, but we need the more goods and services for our livelihood. Is it? Especially food, shelter, clothing are also the very necessary. So, we want to fulfill our all these limited and unlimited wants. So, we are getting the goods from the shopkeeper. Is it? So, near us, is it? So, we getting the goods from the shopkeepers. Then afterwards, the shopkeeper, how they buy the goods and services, by where they get the goods and services. A shopkeeper gets the goods from the wholesalers. Then wholesalers gets the goods from the manufacturers. Okay. Firstly we got the goods from the home shopkeeper. It is near to us. But shopkeeper got those goods from the wholesalers. Wholesalers got those goods from the manufacturers. Is it? By this we get the goods and services and we satisfy our needs. So what is the business? Business means it's the process of production and exchange, distribution activity is called the business. What is the business? Business means production activity and distribution activity is called the business. Is it? So produce the goods through the transport, communication, advertisement, through the wholesalers we produce the goods to the market. Is it? And we earn the profit is called profit or loss, sometimes is called the business. Business means production. It is a process of production activity and distribution activity is called the what is business. Yes, here we can see that is the economic activity. What is the economic activity? Already we know that what are the economic activities? Production activity, distribution activity, exchange activity. Is it? We know that. So these are all called the economic activities. But here we can see we have the innumerable desires, wants, innumerable wants, desires. Is it? So here all goods and services are very necessary to us for our livelihood. Is it? So these goods we are getting from the industry and what is agriculture. Is it? Agriculture gives us what? Food grains. Is it? Then afterwards industries produces some more goods. So these goods are very important to us. We got these goods from the agriculture and also the industry. But services is also very essential for us. We are also getting these services in the society. Is it? But here we can see that these type of the exchange activity, in a sense production and exchange of the goods and services is called the exchange. What is economic activity? Production of the goods and also the exchanging the goods. What is exchanging here? We distribute the goods to the people through the market and we get the price from those people. Producer produce the goods, consumer consumes the goods. Is it? So in this process we can see that we exchange the money here. It is called the exchange activity. Okay, sorry, it is the economic activity, but it is the production of the goods and exchanging the goods and services is called the economic activity. This economic activity is broadly divided into the three parts. So what are those? Business, profession and employment. What is this economic activity is divided into the three parts, three types. What are those? Business, profession and employment. What is the business? Already we know that it is the concern with the production and exchange of the goods and services is called the business. What is production? It is business means it is concerned with the production and exchange activity is called the business. Production means producing the goods, exchanging means distributing these goods afterwards earning money is called the exchange activity. So production and exchange of the goods is called what it is business. Then profession is different from the business. How it is? What is the profession? Profession means getting the specialization in a particular field is called the specialization. What are the what is for example doctors, engineers, then CA is they get the particular specialization in the different field. Like the engineer get the specialization and he is technically he very well know about that how to construct the building, how to construct the dams and roads, is it? So he know about that, but the teachers that don't know about that how to construct, but they are know about how to teach, how to understand the what is the students, is it? So that's all only. But here we can see that the engineers are different from the doctors. The doctors are very specialized to give the treatment for the various diseases. Is it? The pediatrists give the treatment for the children. Is it? Gynecologists give the treatment for the women. Is it? And cardiologists give the treatment to the heart. Is so likewise what is they have the technically specialized in a particular field, and teachers are specialized in the teaching. Is it? So CA in the sense chartered accountants are specialist in the accounts. Is it? So the person who are specialized in the specialized and technical and the personal services is called the profession. In a sense, a person, a rendering of the specialized technical and personal service is called the profession. Then finally is called the employment. Employment means the person who working for the purpose of earning wage or salary is called the what is employment. So what a work undertaken by the people under an employment for the salary or wage. What is people? Work undertaken by the people, work under an employment for salary or wages. The people work under for a person or under a company or under government for earning the wage. Then otherwise the salary is called the what is the employment. So economic activity is divided into the three types: business, profession, employment. Yes, this is all about the economic activities. Then last one is the exchange activity. What is the exchange activity? Exchange activity means distribution of the goods and services. Production activity, we know that producing the goods and services is called the production activity. Is it manufacture of the soap, manufacture of the toothbrush, toothpaste, cloth? These are all called the production activity. Is it? Then even the agriculture, is it growing the food grains? All these come under the production activity. But what is the exchange activity? It is possible to bring all these goods from the manufacture place. It is possible. If we want a pen, it is possible to move for the manufacture company. No, manufacture place. No, it's impossible. So these all goods are distributed near us, like the shopkeepers. Shopkeeper give us all these goods to us. Is it? We need the chocolate. These chocolates are prepared in the Mumbai. So how can we reach this? Is it? So there is no worry. What is the manufacturers are gives these goods to the wholesalers distribute these goods to the shopkeeper distribute these goods to us. Is it? So we get the we meet the goods very near to us. But here distribution of the goods and services is called the exchange activity. So in this distribution, exchanging process, we can undertaken the many more process here. Distribution is very important. How can we distribute here? Here through the transport. Communication is also very necessary to us. Afterwards, the storage of goods. Is it? Then afterwards, what is necessary here? The determination of the price. Then afterwards, advertisement is also very necessary. What is very important to us here? Distribution means distribution of the goods means here what is the necessary? First one is the market. Is it? So market, we can see the market, and second one is the price. For what price to we produce this, what price to we sell this, is it? Then third one is the storage, up to it reach to the people, so up to how can we make the storage, this question is very important. Then afterwards, what is important? Advertisement, is it? This is also very important. So in this distribution activity, in the sense exchange activity, these all processes are undertaken, is it? So sometimes some places gets the market for some goods, some places are not get the market, is it? So in our place, in the sense the Uttara Karnataka, we call the North Karnataka, here the jowar sells the very much, but the South Karnataka we cannot see the ragi sells very much, is it? When we say want to sell the jowar to the southern part, it's impossible to get the good cost, is it? So we can sell this jowar in the northern place only, is it? So we should search the market first. Second one is storage, is it? So we should keep the very safely for these goods and services is the very necessary. Third one is the price determination, what the price to sell, is it? So if it is the profit or loss, we should determine that. Third, next one is the advertisement is also very important. Which type of the production we did, is it? What are the uses of this production, is it? So this is the very necessary to us. For that purpose, the various advertisement we can see in the our TV, is it? So what are those? For example, Santur, is it? Santur advertisement is in mummy, is it? Is it? Likewise, what it gives? It gives what are the importance of the Santur soap, is it? About the Parle-G biscuit, is it? Then about the Summer Lifebuoy, is it? So what is your soap is very slow, likewise they are asking, no, so why they are giving this type of the advertisement to us? Because of they gives the knowledge about the particular goods, is it? So good advertisement gets the more sale, is it? So for that purpose, this exchange activity is undertook the process like the market, price determination, storage of goods and advertisement. Okay, through that we can see the distribution of the goods and services. Through that we distribute the goods and services is called the exchange activity. Nowadays we can see that, but olden days we are all exchanging the goods for goods, is it? So we giving the jar and we getting the oil seeds, we giving the wheat and we getting the vegetables, we giving a cow, afterwards we getting the two ships, is it? So nowadays we are not practicing this type of the barter system. We are all exchanging the goods for money, is it? Money is the medium. What is the money? Is the medium for buying and selling. Through the money only we are all making the business and also the commerce also. Yes, here the distribution, that is exchange, is the link between the production activity and also the distribution activity. That is exchange activity is the link between the production and consumption also. Okay, this is all about the economic activity, in the sense basic aspect of the business. Study on that, what is the meaning of business and what are the economic activity, what are the exchange activity. In next class we must discuss about that, how the commerce is a value. Understand this is all about your first business study lesson, the basic components of business study.